Sound?
Rolling!
Rolling!
Tap speed?
Awesome. Take two. Mark.
And action!
Chris O, the handyman, the pro that knows your job.
Welcome back, YouTubers.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit that notification bell every time new videos pop up. Thanks for coming back to my channel, checking out more videos. I got a whole bunch. Right now, today, we are going to fix a hole in a roof. I sure wish I had this zoom on this dang camera, but it doesn't. If you see right at the top there, here's a hole. Fell off one of these trees. We're going to go up there and fix it. It's not going to be too difficult because the hole is right in between the joists, the studs up there, so that way we'll be able to just cut that out and repair it. Going to get set up, get a ladder and all that fun stuff. Alright, so here we are back. This is such a steep slope. What I've done is I've went on ahead and put in some stairs for me. Show you what we got going on here. He's gonna have to do his gutters too. Put in some stairs. Just a few to give me more something to grab and climb onto while I'm up here. Okay, so there's the hole. Alright, my battery died. So now what I was talking about is you want to make sure you have a slope like this. I don't know what degree it is, but it's a pretty damn good one. So I went on ahead and I built me some steps. In order for me to get good grip and that my ass will not fall while I'm up here. So once you are secure and you get up here, like me, I built myself a little platform. I'm going to show you here. See the hole? Broke about 3 or 4 pieces of shingles. Gotta replace that tar paper. And I'm gonna cut a square out of that broken wood and replace it with new. So that way it won't leak again. But you need something. When I built this, I got these stands. Pretty cool stands that hold me in place. Well, I'm up here gonna do the work here soon once I get the material. So I'll show you guys here soon. What's up, everybody? We're gonna be going back up there. This is day 2, same video. But yesterday we put stairs up there. As you can see, the little wood planks I put up there. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to handle the camera and a saw at the same time, a circular saw that is, to cut the hole out of the roof from where the plywood and damage is. So I'm going to show you what I've done with the circular saw, so you guys can get an idea of what exactly I'm talking about. So I climb up here very dangerously. Alright, so what I've done is I've taken out all the bad shingles, the ones that are ripped and broken, that are no good. Those are the only ones you need replaced. I'm going to come back up here with the hammer and get all those nails out. But what I did is I cut a square as straight and even as I could, just to replace the part or the piece I need. I'm going to put some backer board back there so it'll have something strong to hold on to when I screw it in. Just a couple 2x4s, should be fine. And then I'm going to put the plywood right there. I'm going to caulk it with these roofing stuff I have down there. I'll show you what that is, so it'll seal up any leaks. I'm going to lay the tar paper best I can underneath it, so that way I can get a nice thick layer over it, and remove those nails, caulk that, seal it, and then reshingle. Put this nailings on, it should be done. but just cut it out with your circular saw. Don't go too deep. I adjusted my depth, the width of the plywood there, so that way it doesn't cut into any studs, 2x4s, or anything that may be behind there. Okay, so just remember that when you're up here yourself. All right, I'll show you here in a few minutes once I climb back down. See, there's me. Hey folks. So here we are. We're going to cut the pieces. He didn't have enough plywood, so I had to improvise and adapt like we always do. And I've already had and put that caulking all in the creases. That piece goes in there. Hammered that piece in there. Now it's all fresh. Got the caulk behind it. I'm going to caulk some more right in there, so that space is all filled in, because you don't want any gaps where our friend Mr. Water likes to creep in. Don't rush through it, just take your time. Probably should fast forward this. Thanks for watching. And just fill in all the way down, so you get a good seal. That way no water get in there. I want to get that corner right there. I got it underneath the paper. I don't know if you can see very good. This angle's kind of weird, but yeah, maybe that's better. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll check it out later. But I'm gonna put a couple. Countersink them, make sure they're in there good. And then I'm going to cut the felt paper out for it. And then I'm going to show you how to shingle. So underneath the felt paper that I've cut out to where the damaged areas were, I emptied out this for your roof, and just did a bunch of circles and swirls in order for it to get everywhere. Did it around the edges, so that way it will be under, it's all underneath the shingles. I tucked it underneath there, removed some nails so that way it's underneath everything here. Get it a nice good press, lay it flat. See, the damaged area will get all felt papered in. That way when you shingle over it, it will be like it's brand new. And that's the next step. Coming up, shingles. Oh, welcome back. We're about to do the shingles. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. I got a bunch of cool videos on it. Today, we're doing roofing. So, fun fact, I am not the best person at heights. So, working the camera, doing roofing, such a slant isn't my cup of tea. So, this is my uncle's house. Actually, it was my grandparents' house. Two of my aunts, one of my uncles, I think, grew up in this house. I had a lot of memories here. Love this place. A lot of fun memories here. So I figured I'd fix the roof. So we're gonna start to do the shingles. What you want to do is you want to get drag them up here, of course, and then you want to do the bottom row first. It's always the best way to do it, and then work your way up. If you need to cut the shingles to make them fit, but make sure they match. These are supposed to match, look like they do. These are the ones he had extra from when he had the roof done 10 years ago. So I'm gonna get these shingles on, and I'll show you the finished product here soon. 2 shingles left, and you want to make sure your lines are straight. You got all your shingles here. You're going to fill that in so you can't see that. And then the rest will be pretty much water sealed once you get your last 2 shingles in. Follow the line all the way through, that is straight. If you got any questions, leave some down at the bottom. And there we go, there's your finished roof. I filled in the holes with that roofing caulk, as you can see. There was some spots I wanted to seal up, make sure no water got behind, but you can kind of tell where the repair was. But no water's getting through there. Next we're going to try and clean that corner, but I'm not going to videotape that, just cleaning. So this was Chris. Thanks for liking the video, checking it out. It's how you repair a hole in a roof. If you got comments, leave them at the bottom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Thank you for watching today's episode. Please leave a like and subscribe down at the bottom. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.